storage devices. Other than input devices, processing devices, and output devices, a computer also uses storage devices. The storage devices are used to store our work. Some of the storage devices are hard disk.
Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box or cabinet. It stores the files that we create on the computer and can be used later. Memory card. A memory card is a storage device. It is mainly used in mobile phones, digital cameras, and other similar devices to increase their storage capacity. It is very small in size and is easily portable.
Pen drive. It is also known as USB flash drive. It is a very small storage device. The storage capacity of a pen drive is lesser than a hard disk.